Good morning. Let's wake up with gentle movement and deep breaths. This quick yoga flow will energize your body and calm your mind. No experience needed. Just breathe, move, and feel refreshed. Let's begin. Let's move into Anantasana, also known as Sleeping Vishnu Pose. Lie down on your right side. Extend your right arm and rest your head in your palm. Keeping your body in a straight line, slowly bend your left knee and reach for your big toe with your left hand. Extend the leg toward the sky, keeping your balance steady. Breathe deeply here. Feel the stretch along your side body and legs. If balancing is challenging, keep your lower knee slightly bent for support. With every breath, find stillness and ease in the pose. Now, gently release the leg, bring it down and switch sides. Repeat on the other side, finding harmony and balance in your body. Now, let's move into Apanasana, also known as the knees to chest pose. Lie comfortably on your back. As you inhale, bend your knees and bring them toward your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs, gently hugging them in. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed on the mat. With every exhale, feel your lower back softening. Now, slowly release your legs, extending them fully onto the mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling completely relaxed and refreshed. Now, let's move into Bhadrasana, also known as the gracious pose. Sit comfortably on the mat. Bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to gently drop toward the floor. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting softly on your knees or ankles. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently press your knees downward, feeling a deep yet comfortable stretch in your hips and inner thighs. Stay here for a few breaths, letting go of any tension. Now, let's move into Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra Pose. Begin by lying on your belly. Place your palms under your shoulders, elbows close to your body. Keep your legs extended, with the tops of your feet pressing gently into the mat. On an inhale, press gently into your hands and lift your chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent and shoulders relaxed. Open your heart forward, feeling the stretch through your spine and abdomen. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your back muscles support you. Keep your gaze soft, either forward or slightly upward, without straining your neck. With control, exhale and gently lower your chest back to the mat. Rest for a moment, feeling the warmth and energy flowing through your spine. Now, let's move into Utkatasana, also known as chair pose. Bend your knees, lowering your hips as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Lift your arms overhead, keeping them parallel or bringing your palms together. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your gaze forward. Keep your weight in your heels and your back straight. Engage your core and thighs as you hold the pose. Now, lower your arms and take a deep breath. Press into your feet and slowly rise back to standing, feeling the warmth and stability in your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. You've done an amazing job today. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this session. Hit the bell icon to never miss a new yoga flow. Comment below, what's your favorite yoga pose? See you in the next practice.